We shall solve question paper December, January 2008 and 2009 paper under CSVTU in subject Engineering Mechanics. The question number 1D is an angle bracket is supported on a hinge and roller as shown in the figure 3. Calculate the reactions at the hinge A is the question, which carries 7 marks. This is angle bracket A, B, C, D, E is looking like a angle, and hence it is called angle bracket. Is subjected to forces 150 Newton at C at this edge and 300 Newton at D at a distance of 20 centimeter from C, 30 centimeter from E. And this is the hinge at A. He has asked to calculate the reactions at hinge A, and this is the roller. Here also reaction will come. So what are the unknowns here? Since it is a hinge, it has to take the vertical force, it has to take the horizontal force. These are the two unknowns. These are the type of support actually. In hinge, it is capable of taking two. Since it is a roller, it is capable of taking only one vertical load VB. So HA, HB are the reactions at A which are asked to calculate, and VB is the reaction at B acting on roller. Let us see how the problem is solved. What is the statement in the problem in the given question? The system is in equilibrium and is non-concurrent force system also. That means this force, this force, this force, this force, this force, they are all not meeting at a point, and hence it is called non-concurrent force system. That means all the forces does not meet at a point. Hence, three equations are to be considered, and they are sigma fx 0, sigma fy 0, sigma mc is also 0. This is a force equation. Summation of the forces in x-axis must be 0. This is also a force equation. Sum of the forces in y-axis must be equal to 0. And this is a moment equation. Sum of the moments of all the forces about one moment center C must be equal to 0. These are the three equations and three unknowns, HA, VA and VB, and it is asked to calculate HA and VA. So we can calculate these three unknowns using these three equations. Let us apply these equations, sigma fx and all that. So the hinge, it means that at hinge two unknowns and at roller one unknown. We shall apply now. There are total 5 forces acting in the system, out of which 2 are the given forces 150 and 300 newtons in the figure, and other 3 are the unknowns. VA and HA are the reactions at A, and VB is the reaction on roller B. Calculate these using 3 equations, sigma fx, sigma fy, sigma m. Let us apply now first one of the equations, sigma fx equal to 0. What is the meaning of sigma fx equal to 0? Forces acting in this system, consider only horizontal forces. This is a horizontal force. This is another horizontal force. This is not horizontal. This is vertical force. This is also vertical force. This is also vertical force, that is unknown. So consider when we apply sigma fx, only this force and this force. And we know summation of those two forces must be equal to 0. That means plus HA, because it is acting towards x positive axis, minus 300, this is acting towards negative x-axis. So HA minus 300 must be equal to 0. So we got one unknown, HA equal to 300. HA equal to 300 newtons. So applying second equation, sigma Fy equal to 0, that is summation of vertical forces on the system must be equal to 0. What are the vertical forces? Number 1, VA is vertical force, VB is vertical force, 150 is vertical force. This is horizontal, this is horizontal. Already we have considered. Only verticals are VA, VB and 150 newtons. So I'll apply that. So VA is upwards, positive. VB is upwards, positive. Minus 150 is downwards, and hence it is negative. Must be equal to 0. Summation of these three forces must be equal to 0. So we get from this VA plus VB must be equal to 150 newtons. Let us now apply the third equation, that is sigma mc equal to 0. Here in place of c, that is moment center, is A. This is the moment center A. So taking moments about A, the moments due to HA and VA will be 0. If I take moment about this A point, HA is passing through A, VA is also passing through A. So moment due to this HA and VA will not be there. Only moment due to this will be there, moment due to this will be there, moment due to this will be there. In that, VB is only the unknown, we can calculate that. So this is the moment center. I take moments of all the forces about this. Now first, this is causing moment. VB causes anti-clockwise moment about A. So this is anti-clockwise. See the direction how it rotates. This is the moment center. A rope is tied up. This is the anti-clockwise moment. Hence it is negative. So and it is at a distance of 30 centimeter. This VB, because what is moment? Force multiplied by distance. So this is VB multiplied by 30 with negative sign because it is anti-clockwise. Similarly, we shall come to the 150 Newton. This is 150 Newton. This 150 causes clockwise moment about A. How? This is acting downwards. This is the moment center. And see the arrow in which it direction goes. So this is the direction in which C is rotating, and hence it is clockwise. So this 150 causes clockwise at a distance of, because moment means force multiplied by distance. So 150 distance from A is 30 plus 30, that is 60. Similarly, I'll take this next 300 Newton. 300 Newton causes clockwise moment about A. How it is clockwise? See, this is how it rotates. This is the moment center A. This is about A. See, if I just extend this, it must rotate like this about A. See, it is rotating like this force, and hence it is positive. What is the distance of this? The distance of this 300 Newton from A is this height, perpendicular distance. This height is 20 centimeter. This 20 centimeter is taken here. So force 300 Newton multiplied by distance 20 centimeter will give us moment due to 300. This is clockwise, and hence it is positive. So this is anti-clockwise VB. This is clockwise 150 positive, and 300 is also clockwise, that is also positive. If I apply those moments, so minus, because it is anti-clockwise, VB into distance 30 centimeters, and 150 is clockwise because it is rotating in the clockwise direction, it is positive. 150 multiplied by distance of this 150 from A is 30 plus 30, 60, and this 300 is also clockwise, is positive. So 300 multiplied by 20. Vertical height of this is 20 with respect to A, with respect to this A line. So I get this, and VB is unknown in this equation, and I get VB equal to 150 into sin 60 plus 300 into 20 whole divided by 30, coefficient of VB, I'll get 230 Newton. So VB reaction is 230. It is not asked to calculate, but anyway we have calculated VB equal to 230, then only we can calculate VA. So if I apply VB in equation A, which we have VA plus VB minus 150 equal to 0. Just now we have calculated VB, that is nothing but 230. So if I substitute that VB here 230, I will get VA equal to 230 minus 150. Therefore VA equal to minus 80 Newton. So what is this minus sign? That means what we have chosen, the direction of this VA upwards is wrong. That's why our assumed direction is wrong. That's why since it is coming negative, that upward direction assumed one should be taken downward. So negative sign indicates that the VA must act in the opposite direction, that is downward direction. So we have calculated HA already 300 Newton, VA just now we have calculated 80 Newton but acting downwards, and VA 230 Newtons as the reaction at B. So the reaction at A is HA acting 300 and HB acting downwards 80 Newton, which are asked to calculate, we have done. And also we have calculated VB, even though it is not there in the question, but it is must to calculate. So VB is 230.